better get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lotion. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow.
Tell me how have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. So you're trying to leave this. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand. And let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one, two step. Now, with the music is moving too fast. Slide my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say,
Chloe.
What gifts?
You have gifts.
Black.
It is black.
Here.
It's a car. Would you like to go see your car for your birthday?
Yes!
Girl! How do you feel? Jeez. Birthday gift number, and maybe 2 and 3, or 2. Here, girl.
Thanks. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys.
Show the bag.
I'm counting it?
No, like the front. It says it with the brand. Yeah, girl.
Sis Coach. Uh-oh. I could just get it open. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Little heart-shaped herbs. Uh-oh, guys. Got a little tote. This is cute. So a tote, wait a minute, a little mini purse.
Is the volume on or off? Oh.
On.
Uh-oh. Sweet 16. Let me see what it say.
This is so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, Kitty sweatpants.
Okay, Hello Kitty.
This sweater is cute.
Yeah, that was it.
Cute.
I had turkey too. Oh, I had turkey.
Yeah.
Well, I think I had to fall out that one. And then we're not filling those glasses up.
Should I mask?
Yeah.
And Hello Kitty press ons.
And she's gonna do what she wants with the money. That's what I was told.